Have you ever loved someone so deeply, only to realize they might not feel the same way? It's a story that breaks your heart, but also teaches you something about yourself. My name is Ali, and this is the story of how I thought she loved me, how it changed my life, and brought me closer to finding true love. It all started on a breezy afternoon in the park. I was sitting on a bench, sipping my coffee, watching the world go by, when I noticed her. She was sitting under a tree, sketching something in her notebook. Her hair caught the sunlight, and there was this calm energy about her that drew me in. I hesitated for a moment. Should I say hello? What if she thought I was some random guy bothering her? But something about her made me want to take the chance. I walked up and said, "Hi, I couldn't help but notice your sketches. Are you an artist?" She looked up, smiled softly, and said, "Just a hobby." That was the moment it began. Our connection, our conversations, our story. Her name was Zara. Over the weeks, we spent more and more time together. She had a way of making even the simplest things feel magical. A walk in the rain became an adventure. A quiet evening at a cafe turned into hours of laughter. Yeah, I started to believe that I had found the one. She would laugh at my silly jokes, ask me about my dreams, and share little details about her life. Every day I felt closer to her. I began imagining our future together. I pictured her meeting my family, us building a life filled with love and happiness. She was the first person who made me feel like I could share everything without fear. But then, little things started to change. She didn't reply to my messages as quickly. Our conversations became shorter. She seemed distant, distracted. I thought, maybe she's busy, maybe she's going through something. But my gut told me something was off. One evening, I decided to ask her directly. We were sitting at our favorite café, the same one where we had shared so many good times. I looked at her and said, "Zara, is everything okay? You've been distant lately." She looked at me, and for the first time, I saw hesitation in her eyes. She sighed and said, "Ali, you're an amazing person, but I think I need some time to figure out what I want." Her words hit me like a storm. I tried to understand, to hold on to what we had, but deep down, I knew. She didn't feel the same way anymore. I walked home that night with a heavy heart, replaying every moment we had shared, wondering where I'd gone wrong. The days that followed were some of the hardest of my life. I couldn't eat, couldn't sleep. I felt like the ground had been pulled out from under me. But here's the thing about heartbreak. It teaches you things you never knew about yourself. As weeks turned into months, I started focusing on myself. I picked up old hobbies, spent time with friends, and worked harder at my job. Slowly, I began to feel like myself again. One day, as I was walking through the park, the same park where I first met Zara, I realized something important. I had given so much of myself to someone else that I had forgotten to love myself. Time has a way of healing even the deepest wounds. Months later, I met someone new. Her name is Layla. She's kind, understanding, and loves me for who I am. This time I've learned to take things slow, to communicate better, and to never lose sight of myself in a relationship. Looking back, I'm grateful for everything, even the heartbreak, because it taught me that love isn't just about finding the right person. It's also about becoming the best version of yourself. So, if you've ever felt the pain of unrequited love, know this: it's not the end. It's a chance to grow, to heal, and to find the love you truly deserve. Thank you for watching my story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring English learning stories. Want to improve your English listening skills even more? Check out my playlist linked in the description below. It's full of stories and tips to help you learn English in a fun and easy way. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.